Now it's time to look into creating a custom menu. And what I mean when I say a custom menu is if we go take a look at our page here, at the top here, you're going to see we have home, about us, and contact us. All right, that's a menu. That's our navigation menu. Okay, what we can do is we can customize this to have any pages we want up here. You know, perhaps we don't want certain pages up here, or we want them in a different order, or anything like that. We can customize that. And most themes have all kinds of different menus. They have the top navigation menu up here. They will have a footer menu down here. Most of the time it's on the right hand side down here. They'll have a menu with links. If you go to any website, you scroll down, you'll see they have links down here. It's usually the contact us link and the sitemap link and things like that. So we can create custom menus. So let's go ahead and get one started and create one. If we go back to our dashboard here, under the appearance tab, we can click on menus. And this is where the magic happens, okay? First off, you need to name your menu. The most common name you would make it is like top menu or, you know, sidebar menu, things like that. So let's name this top menu. And then we're going to click on create menu on the right side over here. And we have our menu. Now the options you see here are theme dependent. Each theme is different. This theme has 4 different menus. They have a top menu, a header menu, a subheader menu, and a footer menu. Okay. Now the footer menu is the one at the bottom I just pointed out. The header menu is going to be this here. Okay. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what we can do here. Right now we have 4 pages. We have the contact us, the contact Mark, contact Jim, and the about us. Let's say, for example, at the top here, all I wanted was the about us. Okay. I don't want the contact us up here, right? I just want the about us. So what we're going to do is we're going to select header menu because I want this menu to be right here. Okay, that's the header. Next, you need to select which pages you want in that menu. Okay, all I want is the about us. I don't want the contact us. I'm going to hit add to menu. And there we have that. Okay, pretty simple. Now I'm going to click save menu on the right side. Now let's go back and refresh our page. As you can see, it's just the about us. No home button, no contact us button. Okay, so most of the time, it's pretty logical for us to put the contact us in the footer area down here, okay? Right down there. So let's try that. Let's go back to our menus here. Let's create a new menu. Let's name this one footer. Okay, create menu. Okay, we want this to be the footer menu. And we want the contact us information to be down there, okay? I'm going to select just that one, all right, because those are parented, so I'm going to select just that one. Add to menu. Okay, let's save menu and see how that looks. All right, and their footer menu is actually located right here. Okay, so any options or any pages I add to the footer menu will be lined up along the bottom here. Okay, so there we have our contact us page that they can click on to contact us. And up here we have our about us page. Okay, pretty cool, right? Let's take a look and see where these other menus are. Instead of the footer, let's try the subheader menu instead. Or actually, we could try all. You can do all 3 at once. So do all 3 of those and save the menu and see where those other 2 are actually located. Let's refresh our page. All right, I figured. So the subheader is actually located on a white bar underneath the main navigation. So you can actually have a double layer thing going on here. We have our contact us information. And then the top part, the top menu is actually up here. Up here, you could put probably your Facebook page link and your Twitter page link. That'd probably be the most common area for anything up here. So pretty neat right now. Each theme has their own different options and their own menus. They have their own menus in a different spot. So all you would do is create your menu and you add it, and you'll see the different options that you have here. Also, what you can do is, like I said, you can have a link to your Facebook, for example. You can add custom links. It doesn't have to be a page on your website. You can add a custom link. So let's remove that from the top menu and the sub menu. Okay, let's save that. Let's create a new menu just for the top. And we're going to add our Facebook page and our Twitter page. Okay, create new menu. We're going to call this our social media menu. Okay, all right, it's going to be the top menu. And we want to add a custom link. We're going to click on the links button, URL. It's going to be facebook.com, and then you can add your own custom page. And the link text is going to say Facebook fan page. We're going to add that to the menu. Cool, right? Let's try one more. Let's try a Twitter one. And then add your custom URL. Do a follow me. Cool, right? So let's see how that looks. Let's add that to the menu as well. Let's save the menu. Okay, now let's refresh it. Boom, there we go. It's pretty neat, right? So then we have our Facebook fan page and our Twitter up here. And we click on it, it should take us to Twitter. Yep, there you go. Pretty cool, right? So you can add your own custom links, and you can add your custom links anywhere. It can be on the navigation bar, it can be the sub menu, or it can be in the footer at the bottom. You can add your custom links. Also, what you can add is categories. It doesn't have to be just links or pages. You can add a category. I can add all my fighting posts to the menu, for example. Let's add that and update it. So now up here at the top, you're going to have a fighting tutorials. And to click on that, they're going to see all my fighting posts in that category. Pretty cool, right? So creating your own custom menu, can really set your site apart from the other websites. You can make it really easy to access all your information and make it really easy for your visitors to get a hold of you and find what they're looking for. Now, if you ever wanted to edit a certain menu that you had already created, pretty simple. You just click the drop-down menu here, select which one you want to edit, and then click on select. And then it'll bring it back up, and you can edit and make changes to that menu.